Something that a lot of Terraria players don't understand is that Terraria actually has beds. It's a feature that Terraria added, but goes neglected. Most people don't really understand, they don't realize, but it's a very simple crafting recipe. I'll show you how to make it. So, the first thing you'll need is some cobweb. This is a resource in Terraria that can be found in the underground, in caves. You can break it with pickaxes and with a sword. You'll also find it in spider nests that are typically located underground in the cavern layer. And once you have that, you can make yourself some silk. And to make silk, you're going to need something called a loom. Looms are found in underground cabins, which are located in the underground cavern layer. You'll find looms in those underground cabins occasionally, not always. Or you can craft looms as well. And how you craft them is with a workbench and a furnace. So you'll need lead bars that I have here. You'll make them with the furnace. And with your workbench, you want to make some chains. So you'll see you'll use any iron bar. In this case, I have lead. You'll craft chains. And using any wood, you can make yourself a sawmill. You place that down. And once you have that down, with 12 wood, you'll need at least 12 wood, you can make yourself a loom right there. You place that down. And once you have that, with your cobweb, you can make yourself some silk. You'll need 5 silk for one bed. So I have 5 silk, and you'll need 15 wood to craft your bed right there. So your bed, you need to be next to a sawmill for that. Craft your bed, and then you can place it. So I'll break these two to make a room, and you'll see that I can place my bed. If you can also set spawn points, as you can see, spawn point set, but that'll have to be in a house that an NPC can live in. As you can see, this house is taken by Trent, the guide, and you'll see when I click on the question mark and click on the house, this house is already occupied. So it needs to be in a house that can be lived in by an NPC. When that also happens, when you have this set up, you can rest in the bed, and you'll see that the background speeds up. You'll see it speeding up, and time is skipping now. When you're in a bed, you'll just press spacebar, you'll see it slow down again. You're no longer sleeping. So when you're sleeping, time will speed up, as you can see right there. So that would be beds in Terraria. They're a nifty tool you can use to skip the times at spawn points. So if your spawn point is far from where you are, like mine's over there, right? So you can set yours in your house. You can set them anywhere. It's a very nifty, useful tool. So I hope this video has been useful to you. I hope you've learned something new, and I will catch you guys a different time.